to share some reviews from Amazon, and one review that I have under one of my videos about Pro Age Restore. Yeah. My name is Dango. Like, join me for the first time, then hit that subscribe button, turn on post notification, like this video, and share as much as you can. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be reviewing the Vaseline Gluta Hya Serum Burst Solution Pro Age Restore. So you want to stick around and do not go anywhere. Alright, let's get to it. So I have spoken about the Vaseline Gluta Hya Serum Burst Solution Overnight Radiance. That's the purple one, Dewy Radiance. That's the pink one, and Flawless. That's the gold one. Now this is the Pro Age Restore that gives you that Pro Age Restoration. I mean, that makes you age backward. That makes you look younger than your age, you know. People are asking you, why are you looking like this? You're looking so beautiful. I mean, look at Jennifer Lopez. Look at her. I mean, I think she's around 50 years, right? And she still looks so beautiful. You want to look like that, right? I get it. That is why you need to watch this video. Don't touch that down. This particular serum lotion has 3 key ingredients. It has a Boost Gluta Glow technology that is more powerful than vitamin C 10 times. 10 times more powerful than vitamin C. It has hyaluronic acid, and it has 70 times collagen in it. Now, let's take it one step at a time. The glutathione, which is actually the antioxidant, a master antioxidant that is inside this particular product, would help your skin look really, really brightened. To brighten your skin, it will even your skin tone. Those of you that have discoloration just because of one reason or the other, you want to get something that would even your skin tone. You want to get something that's going to brighten your skin, bring out that your inner beautiful color that you have. Versus, you need something to bring it out. You need something to make your skin look so good. That is what glutathione will do to your skin. Now, hyaluronic acid is a skin, I would say, one of the skin masters, because it's going to help to glow your skin, it's going to help to moisturize your skin. It's a skin hydrator. When they say skin hydrator, I give it to hyaluronic acid. And you know, one of the things that hyaluronic acid will do to your skin is giving your skin that, you know, that radiance, that moisturizing effect. It would help to reduce fine lines. It will help to disappear wrinkles. You know, that is what it's going to help to do, leaving your skin looking so plump, so firm, glowing, radiant, beautiful. What else do you want? No, I'm asking you, what else do you want? Imagine having glutathione hyaluronic acid in one particular product, and they will now go to 70 times collagen. Let me tell you guys what that means. Now, collagen helps to boost skin elasticity. That means it helps to combat aging. You know, you need something to help you look younger. That is what collagen will do. Whenever I see a supplement, or I see a lotion, or I see any, you know, skincare product that has collagen in it, I'm like, yo, that's what's actually going to help to, you know, boost my skin elasticity, because I know what it means for skin to have this skin elasticity, you know, for you to look younger than your age. It's amazing. It's really, really amazing. People don't even know your actual age because you're just aging backward. You're looking so younger, you're looking so vibrant. There are a lot of people like that. You know, we have a lot of people like that, that they look younger than their age. I don't want to start mentioning names right now, but you guys know what I mean. And that is what we're trying to achieve today. That is what we're trying to achieve today. Kudos to Vaseline, by the way. Vaseline, they are doing an amazing job. I spoke about them last week, and again, today I'm talking about Vaseline. Oh my days. Let me ask you guys, Nivea or Vaseline, which one would you go for? Like any Nivea product or any Vaseline product, which one would you pick? Let me know in the comment section. Let's move on. So, what I'm just trying to say in essence is that collagen is very, very good to the skin. It is really, really important to be incorporated in your skincare routine, because you want to look, everybody wants to look younger. You're a man, you're a woman, you want to still look younger. So having 70 times collagen in a particular product, guys, you want to agree with me that it is going to be good. Now, we've seen a lot of reviews about Vaseline Gluta Hya Serum Burst Lotion, and trust me, we know that they are all good reviews. I don't know if there's any bad reviews about Vaseline Gluta Hya Serum Body Solution in general. I'm talking about, the pink one, the gold one, the purple one. Have you seen any bad review about it? If you have a bad review, if you have a concern about it, if you're telling me that, damn, I'm not gonna buy Vaseline Gluta Hya Serum Body Solution for anything in this world, let me know at the comment section. Let me know your reason for that. I'm gonna share some reviews from Amazon, and one review that I have under one of my videos about Pro Age Restore. Yeah.
Marvin's A says, I like it. It's nice and smooth. Another person says, late 20s. Wait, I really don't know whether this product has done anything beneficial. It definitely can't be used on its own as there is almost no moisturizing benefit. I used a different lotion and Vaseline to add moisture. I don't know if I would buy again. Leaves my legs so silky, smooth after shaving. A very powerful moisturizer. I like it very much. All things concerning this cream. Even your complexion and soften skin. Now another person said, I ordered two of them, red one and pink one. They all seemed like used one, not come with original packaging, and tubes are seemed like used one. I had to return it. And this is a comment under one of my videos on my channel about Pro Age Restore. Abiodun Taiwo says, I am currently on the Pro Age Restore and I am loving my skin tone and softer texture. I would not mind trying out the Flawless Glow too though. And there are lots more good comments.
So you guys can see amazing reviews, but there are some bad reviews. Now I'm gonna say this, right? If you're getting any product, I said it before in the last video, and I will say it over and over again at every opportunity I get. If you want to get any product, please endeavor to go to an authentic store. Go to an authentic store. You want to order online, you want to go to a cosmetic store. You just need to make sure that they are very authentic. They don't sell fake products. Because if you buy fake products, I'm sorry, sis, you can never get the results you're looking for. You can never get the results you want. It is just the honest truth. So I know that Gluta Hya Serum Body Lotion is amazing because having 10 times vitamins and 10 times more powerful vitamin C ingredients incorporated in a particular product, there's no how. There's nothing you want to tell me that product is going to be amazing. It's going to be superb, right? I'm gonna agree with me that this particular Pro Age is something to try if you haven't tried it before. Alright? That's it. We've come to the end of today's video. That's all I have for you guys for now. Many more are to come. If you have any question for me, please do ask me in the comment section. And please, we offer skincare consultation at a very affordable price. Please book a session with us today. I love you guys. See ya. Bye bye.